Viewers, today I brought a new video for you. In this video, I'll show you how to repair an electric iron professionally. In most cases, the wire gets shorted and the iron stops working. This is a very common issue in electric irons. I had an old iron lying around that was completely not working. After checking, I found the wire was damaged and needed replacement. So today, I'll open the iron step by step. Then I'll remove the faulty wire and install a new one properly. Let's start the repair and make this electric iron work again. First, we will open the back screw and remove the cap carefully. After removing the cap, the internal wiring becomes visible. As you can see, this is the positive connection point. This one here is the negative connection point. And this terminal is for the indicator bulb connection. Now, this is the new wire that I purchased from the market. You can easily find this type of wire at any electronic shop. Next, we will connect the new wire properly to these points. First, I'll show you how to install the new wire. Start by opening all the screws carefully. Use the proper screwdriver to avoid damaging them. Keep all the screws safely aside. Now that the screws are open, remove the back cover. You can now see the internal connection points. Next, take the new wire. Check both ends of the wire before installing. This screw here is the positive point. Fix one wire on the positive terminal. Make sure the wire is placed correctly. Now tighten the screw properly. The positive wire is now fixed securely. The middle point is the negative connection. Connect the second wire to the negative point. Adjust the wire so it fits properly. Now tighten the negative screw firmly. Both wires are now connected correctly. I also bought this indicator bulb from the market. This type of bulb is easily available at electronic shops. You can use it in any electric iron repair. Now I'll show you how to connect it properly. First, take the two wires of the indicator bulb. Check the wire ends before connecting. One wire will go to the positive point. Locate the positive terminal carefully. Loosen the positive screw slightly. Insert the first bulb wire under the screw. Now tighten the screw firmly. Make sure the wire is secured properly. The first bulb wire is now fixed. The second wire will go to the negative point. Locate the left side negative terminal. Loosen the negative screw carefully. Insert the second bulb wire under the screw. Tighten the negative screw firmly. Both bulb wires are now connected. Now all connections are secure and ready. Next, we will place the bulb cover back in its position. Make sure the cover fits properly over the bulb. Now, check all the wires inside the iron. Arrange the wires neatly to avoid any tangling. Ensure none of the wires are under pressure. After arranging the wires, take the back cap of the iron. Place the cap carefully over the iron body. Align it properly with the screw holes. Now insert all the screws back into their positions. Tighten the screws securely, but do not over-tighten. Check that the cap is firmly fixed. The electric iron is now fully assembled. Next, we will test the iron by plugging it in. Take the power plug and connect it to the socket. Switch on the iron carefully. As you can see, the indicator bulb lights up. The iron is heating properly and working perfectly. The repair is now successfully complete. If you liked the video, please share, like, and subscribe.